Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart in Hand Creations and Events. Today's DIY is going to be a DIY rooftop chimney made out of styrofoam poster board. And here we have it. The structure is already together, guys. I had started it before I realized I should have just, do the video. But if you want to see me make it from the beginning, just comment below and I'll make sure I'll make it happen. And here is the glue and glitter that I used for the top edge of the chimney, as you see. And here, guys, this is where I started painting. I used a red tempered paint. I think that's what it's called, from Dollar Tree. And it's really red. It's a pretty red, bright red. And I thought that would be perfect for the brick. And guys, this chimney was made because a friend of mine has a set of twin granddaughters. They're 4 years old. And she said that they wanted to know, put their heads together and wanted to know how was Santa Claus getting in the house with presents when they didn't have a chimney. So they asked their mom, they said, well, how does Santa Claus get in the house? And mom said, through the door. They said, but we lock the door at night. And mom said, he comes through the door. And they said, how does he do that? And mom said, because he's magical. And I thought that was cute. But anyway, the grandmother, friend of mine, she asked me if I could make a chimney. So actually what she was talking about was a fireplace. But since I was already doing the fireplace video, which you should have seen last before this one, I said, well, if you like this fireplace that I'm going to do for my video, then you can get that one. So anyway, guys, she wanted a regular fireplace. And I forget that chimneys are also known as fireplaces are also known as chimneys. Even when I went to look it up on YouTube to find out how to make a chimney stack, couldn't find one. So I had to just get the wheels in my imagination going. And this is what I came up with. And the brick idea, of course, that comes from the fireplaces. So I said, well, let's make it three-dimensional. And right here is where I had just added the glitter and glue mixture on the top to give that icy frosty look. And here is the snow that I made four of. I made 4 identical pieces and I just linked them around the sides of the top edges of the of the chimney. So guys, that's how it came to be for me to create this chimney stack. Using the same concept that I used for my fireplaces. And once it was done, I thought it turned out so cute. And here it is, all finished. All the sides are done from the top to the bottom. And here is the final result, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. I believe it turned out great. And guys, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so that when I come up with the next video, you will know. Also, guys, don't forget to comment. Let me know what you think. And would you like me to do this video again, starting from the beginning? Let me know in the comments below and share this video, guys. And guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up for a like. Looks like a chimney stack to me. What do you think? And you know what? This could have been used for somebody who doesn't have a Christmas tree. They could have put gifts around it anyway. and stuck a pair of boots out of the top saying that Santa Claus got stuck. Anyway, guys, I will see you in the next DIY video. Bye-bye.